fun thing about the school uniform store, it is 98% a positive experience. And even when the customer has a negative experience, we turn it into a positive one. We do whatever we have to do to keep a customer happy. That is part of the key to the business.
What I appreciate about Bahama Joe's is the quality of the clothes. I actually don't have to buy some clothes the next year because they are still in excellent condition from the year before. And I have boys, so that's saying a lot. They keep up with your sizes. Sometimes I'll forget what size my children are in at the moment, and they will go back to the computer and they'll say, well you bought a 10 last September. Do you think maybe? I go, yeah, she needs a little size larger, but I didn't remember that it was a 10.
We definitely build a relationship with most parents. Most parents, we fit their children from kindergarten up. So it becomes a part relationship with that parent. You learn the parent, you see them. We not only see these parents in the store, we see them around town, and we try to keep a good relationship with the parent.
We're in the school uniform business, so we offer school uniforms for the variety of parochial schools here in Savannah. We started the business in 2009 from pure scratch, and it entailed really going to 5 different schools and convincing them that we could help them with their uniforms. Our success through working with them has just been undeniable. Amy Smith came aboard the company a little over 4 years ago, and she is the guru of school uniforms. Her knowledge of the school uniform process between materials, sizing, hemming, just the pure relationship with the customer is second to none. She is an absolutely incredible store manager, and the business depends on her each and every day.
I've been doing uniforms for about 19 years. I've sold uniforms and did fittings for 19 years for various schools in the Savannah area, surrounding counties. I love working the customer relations. I love talking with the people, meeting new people, learning the families. I love ordering for the store. I order things that I like. Instead of just your basic drab uniform, we accessorize. We do lots of hair for the girls. We do a lot of spirit wear, ball caps, T-shirts, and so on. So when I purchase things for the store, I think of what I would like to fit my child in.
When the customers come into the business to get their school uniforms, they virtually can come in, purchase what they need, and leave. Whereas traditionally, other companies will go and have to embroider these shirts after the fact, or hem the pants, or do something that causes that particular customer to have to come back a second time to pick up their materials.
We do all of our embroidery screen printing in-house, so the customer can come in or order online, and we basically pull the merchandise right then from the shelves.
I love that I can just walk in and my children's school is already monogrammed on the clothes. I don't have to buy the shirt, buy the top, or buy anything, have it monogrammed to come back. It's ready for me. It's got the branding of my school, which is very important to the administration.
A lot of times kids will come in mid-year because they're transferring in from out of state or out of town, and they want to start school as soon as they get here. So as soon as we bring them through the application process, parents can come here, pick up their uniforms, and start school the next day.
The customer service here is exceptional.
Bahama Joe's is a great shopping experience. There's great customer service, friendly staff.
They know their business. When they say they're going to do something, they do it. They tell you something's going to be ready at a certain time. It's ready, and they contact you and let you know it's ready.
They know each and every family that comes in here almost by name, and that makes that shopping experience very good. It's an incredible service top to bottom.
I think the staff here is excellent. They know what you need before you even ask sometimes.
My daughter, she's 12. She knows everyone here, and they know what she's going to want before she even can say what she's going to want.
They have all the colors that we need. They usually are very accommodating if I can take something home and thus try it on them. If it doesn't fit, I keep the receipt and I bring it back. So it's all about customer service and as well as the quality.
The service has been fabulous. It's hands-on, very personable. We're thrilled with what we have at Bahama Joe's.
We'd like to provide each school that has an interest in working with us an opportunity to be a part of what we're doing here. And I think we're an extension of each particular school, and we could be an extension of your school and be a positive part of your community.